how to kickflip on Ambition Snowskate skate tutors. If you guys like the video, hit like and make sure to subscribe and comment if you want. Check this video out. How to kickflip. Alright guys, on this episode of Skate Tutors, we're going to teach you how to kickflip on an Ambition Snowskate. So we live in Pennsylvania here, so clearly we're going to have to scramble for some snow. As you can see back here, that's all the snow we got, so we'll see if we can get through this video. And I'm going to show you other clips throughout the video of me doing kickflips earlier on in the season and earlier on in my snow skate career. So check it out, Ambition Snowskate, how to kickflip. Alright, good starter point when you first learn how to kickflip on a snow skate is you want to do it on the snow without moving on the snow skate. So basically, it's different than a skateboard because you want to have this foot higher up on the tail, kind of like this. We can give it more push. Pushing down and kicking up like an ollie gives you more pop, but you also want to kick it out like a karate kick. Hi-ya! Karate kick. You want to kind of like roll this foot off, up, and off and out, and flip the board, and then it comes around, and you want to catch it with your back foot. And you want a little bit more finesse on your flick on a snow skate, because a skateboard you're on truck, so you can push down the truck and kind of manipulate the board more. With a snow skate, it's flat, on a flat surface, so you don't get as much movement when you do that flick, so you have to be more finesse with your flick. You want to have that back foot up there higher on the tail to get that extra pop for the ollie. Then with a finesse kick it out, and catch it with the back foot and land. The best way to get speed is hold it with your left hand if you're regular and just run and then gently toss it under your feet and jump on the board. Awesome. Always try to catch the board with your back foot like this for a sicker landing, guys. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this episode of Snow Skate Tutors, how to kickflip on a snow skate. You can click the box if you want to see more snow skate videos. And peace out. Happy New Year.